Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change Oil Dodge Journey Easy Guide. Park on level ground, engage the parking brake, and let the engine cool. Then lift the vehicle with a jack and secure it on jack stands. Place a drain pan under the oil pan, remove the drain plug, and let oil drain completely before replacing the plug and removing the old filter. Begin by loosening the drain plug with the correct socket and catching all oil in a suitable container. Allow several minutes for full drainage. Remove and replace the oil filter, lubricating the new gasket with fresh oil, then reinstall the filter. Refill the engine with the recommended oil amount, run the engine briefly to circulate oil, check for leaks, and verify the oil level on the dipstick. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like. It really helps the channel grow. Quick recommendation. Life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice that you see here for a clean scent while you drive. I put a link in the description, and other deals are listed there as well. Now let's get back to the video. After refilling and starting the engine, inspect around the drain plug and filter for any leaks. Then shut off the engine and recheck the dipstick to confirm the correct level. Lower the vehicle safely and torque the drain plug to specification. Clean up spills, record the service date and mileage, and take used oil and filter to a recycling facility to avoid environmental harm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.